suspicious about the potential of this paradigm. But then we show them the data, so they confirm that this paradigm can be appropriate, at least for this specific group of children that we consider with low, moderate autism syndrome disorder. And actually, what we did, and it's not reported in the paper, is that these benefits that we detected are somehow persistent. So we measured, and they are not reported in the paper because we wrote the paper before this further test. We did some attention measured 1 month after the end of the treatment that Laura has described, and actually we noticed the same level of attention. So there was these benefits at attention level was confirmed and remain along a relative long time, so at least after 1 month. So still, it's clear that these results are very, very preliminary and are tentative. We don't know much about, we in the sense of the scientific community does not know much about autism. It's really, there are a number of issues that need to be understood in the way these subjects relate with the world, build meaning, relate with others, and so the mechanism of their cognitive mechanism are largely unknown, even though there is this idea that the anomaly is due to a distorted sensory mechanism. So, so it's really a long way to go before getting some more definitive results. Actually, we involve only a small number of children, so we need to extend our studies to other kinds of children. And also, it's difficult to establish if our experiment went well because there was motion-based interaction, or because it was game, or because of a combination of these two factors. So it's difficult to establish a causality relationship between the user experience and the benefits, the learning benefits. And also it's important to pinpoint that autistic children is a very heterogeneous group, so you don't have two autistic children that are exactly equal, so it's important to understand how the variability of their disorder play in the learning effect that you can achieve with technology. So there is really a lot of work to do. There are some activities that we are carrying on, so we are now building a number of motion-based touchless games based on our understanding in the experiment that we have reported. That we also want to focus on social interaction